great day everyone. Thank you so much for watching again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will going to have now a continuation of discussing or having a pronunciation of the different vowel and diphthong sounds. So without further ado, let's do it. So now in this video guys, we will going to have now another pronunciation of the vowel sound. So this day we will going to have a pronunciation of the vowel sound Okay, now let's start with the words with a initial vowel sound of Let's start with other, uncle, ugly, umpire, other, ulcer. Okay, let's proceed to the words with a medial vowel sound of Let's start with country, mother, some, from, young, southern. Okay, let's proceed to the words with the final vowel sound of Let's start with sofa, drama, stanza, arena, soda. Okay, so for the drill on of the words, let's start with culture, blunt, blood, calm, cover, dove, double, tough, some, muscles, much, oven, money, sun, couple, flood, bus, cut. Okay, so thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope that you're still learning and you can use this for another purposes again and again. So thank you so much. Have a great day and goodbye.